Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your card on Go2 Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in go2bank.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Go2 Bank. Now, right on the home page, you can see a button which says activate your card. Just go ahead and click on it and you will be taken into another window where you can activate your card. Now all you need to do is type in your card credentials. So just go ahead and type in your 16-digit card number in the given box, followed by the expiration date and the section code. After typing these details, click on the box which says I'm not a robot to verify your identity. Then simply click on the continue button and your card will be activated. You can also activate your card by contacting the Go2 Bank by calling on their toll-free number. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your card with Go2 Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.